Hi everyone, just wanted to show a Lego NXT gantry. Um, it's just an automated track with a Lego NXT motor, and this is great for multiple purposes. So if you wanted first to um, have a claw machine that can go up and down a track, or if you wanted to make it something that could be loaded onto the track. So I'll show you real quick. I'm just going to plug it in. Now I'm going to control this with a Raspberry Pi later. For right now, I'm just going to turn on power. So this is great. If you're, like I said, this is going to be a multi-purpose. You can carry stuff on it. You can just have a claw with it. Let me move it all the way back. And you can take that off. And you can put automated, claw, just like the claw machine you see like in the if you like go to Denny's, they have a claw machine that I still love to this day, and I'll probably spend about 20-30 bucks on a claw machine. All right, so that's how it goes. Sorry, I'm holding up the cable. All right, now if you flip it over, you can have it on the, hold on, you can have it traveling up and down the track like that as well. Let me get my hand out of the way. And you can have it go up and down the track just like that. Alright guys, so that's it for right now. Just wanted to show off a automated track that's powered by an NXT motor, and you can do a couple of cool things with it. Either I'm going to have it on the surface running up and down picking up objects, or going hanging from the top and picking up objects. That's probably, I'm going to make more than one of these. I'm going to have like 2 of them, and so I'm going to use them for like my automated Lego sorter factory. Alright guys, take it easy.